Yes. Austria. Thank you. Oh yeah, it's very nice. Toy Story pala to eh, oh. Tsaka si ano, Mario Galaxy. Ay, bukas pa rin sila? On the island, I'll be there.
Pwede pala dito mag-vlog tayo.
O dito na lang muna tayo, pwede naman siguro.
Pwede mo pala mag-stay dito. Pag summer, marami yan dito ng bago. Dito lang. Matibay ang kanilang ano, ha? Oo. Okay.
Namamadali ka ba? Bibili ka dito, 2 for 10. Strawberry matcha latte, please.
What size?
Regular.
Anything else?
And brown sugar. Regular.
Miss, can you tell them to put sugar in? Can you tell them to put sugar?
Yeah, there's a sugar.
Okay, thanks. Okay, fine.
So, nangihingi lang siya. Ano number mo?
To get this. When I used to get this, I love strawberry.
Uy, ito pala yun eh. Halika rito.
I like the
Mga fruit.
Yes.
It wasn't
Banana.
about the taste, it was
Raspberry.
about
Kiwi. Blackberry.
There's no
Cherry.
ice in there?
And then mango.
What's that?
Strawberry.
One ice?